For today's video kasi maglalaro tayo ng smell, what is this called? Lemonade, okay? Maglalaro tayo ng lemonade. Kasi kita naman ay naglaro na ako pero syempre tinesting ko muna kung maganda ba. Tapos mukhang maganda kaya bibidyo ko. Kaya let's go. Kita yung I'm rich. So what can we buy? Okay, what is this? What are you doing here, oh? Yo, auto. Nice one. Let's go upgrade that. Checking, akala ko ching-ching. Akala ko, I don't know. Yo, I'm rich. Yo, can someone buy? Yo, chill. I'm getting rich. What the hell? Yo, what? What? Just played this like 1 hour. I mean, 1 day ago, bro. Love this. Yo, bro. You're just standing there. What? Yo, I'm almost at 10K. What is? Yo, they have global now. Let's see. Huh? Can I click? Yo, damn, 200. Damn. I need this, guys. I need this. Yes, sir. Yo, you can sprint. Hey, come back, bro. Do you like my lemonade? Quick, sour, I love it. Of course, lemonade. Hey, bro, my cat. My cat is here, bro. My cat is destructive. Wait, what? Why there's a bike? I thought where, bro? Where did my bike go? What is this? What can I? Yo, I can. Whoa, it's just like please donate. Yo, uh, please buy my lemonade legs. Hey, yo. Okay, stop. So I'm getting rich. Let's go. I cannot upgrade. Damn. 700 for a lemonade, bro. What did you say, huh? Bah, don't you like it? Bro, I hate you, man. You look like rich, but you're a noob. Yeah. Yo, what do you say? I need to tell. Yeah, you're good. You're good, my boy. Lemon Dash, the game. Yo, bro, just walk by. Saitama. Hey, Saitama, buy my stay. Saitama is looking different right now, bro. Okay. Bro, no way you loving it, man. If I'm you, I'm gonna leave, bro. Yo, what is this? I thought it's a sell lemonade, but it's a sell a car. What the? Hey, I'm stuck. Help, help, bro. What? Oh, I thought I'm gonna drop them. Yo, what is this? How many making are you? Oh, you good? Oh, this is not a real person. Yeah, bro. Bro, you need to pay your. No. What is this? Is this even lemonade, bro? What is it? Lemon juice? Oh my god, bro. Lemon juice is crazy. Hey, someone is robbing me, bro. Are you robbing me, bro? Ah, I thought customer, good customer. I can buy this. Yes, let's go. 1 meal? No, I'm not the. Ooh, never mind. No way. 3K for a lemonade is crazy, bro. Yeah, what the? Front attention. Lemonade vendor. Perfect. Payment funded. Accept. Let's go. Ooh. No, you can't. I need to be rich. If I'm rich, I'm gonna give you $1 raise, okay? Just wait. Boy, what? What did I do? What? I thought, bruh, Robux. Bruh, I don't have Robux. Yo, guys, can you guys speed up? Can you speed up, bro? I need money. Let me upgrade this one, 2, 3, 4. No, yes, 5. Yo, 5K, 5K for a lemonade, 5K for a lemonade, man. That's crazy. Hey, you need to buy, man. It's just like $5. Just don't, don't. What? I cannot even. Yo, I'm a millionaire. Yo, yo. Hey, my lemonade is for $5. Don't look at the 30. Okay? Yeah, take a look. Did you even buy, bro? Now let me. Street light. Wait, what? What? Stun speed. What is this? Did I just did I just play like 4 minutes ago? What is this? Yeah, lemonade. Yo, thank you, man. Come back tomorrow. Today, let's go. What is this? Minigun. Oh, I thought it's a minigun because of the mini NG. I'm sorry guys, it's a mini game. Time to get back to bro, you don't even work, man. Where are you gonna go, bro? Bro just disappeared off of the air. Is there Sonics? So what Sonic? Yo, I'm gonna be the Sonic, man. Wait, what is this? Yo, what? Yo, I'm dead. Wait, what? Where am I? Exit? Bro, that's not the exit. It's a black hole. You dumb. What's this? Yo, my cat, man. Hey, cat, get out. Get away, move. Man, it's actually, no. Oh my god, bro. You're now distracting me, man. Yo, what is this? Wait, cat. Wait, okay, let me see this. Bro, stop, man. Don't put your head on your. Oh my god. No, my mic. If it's because of you, what you gonna say, huh? Nah, man, bro, just. Hey, don't. Hey, don't. Hey, boss putting his hand on my mic, bro. Alright. He's just sitting here right now, bro. Hey, yo, bro's kicking his leg. Man, what is this? Where can I find this? Yo, this is a maze, man. This is computing. Just calculating and confused. Get it? You what? Nah, I'm gonna leave. Yo, my cat is just sleeping on my charger right now, man. You wanna get charged? Yeah, bro. Nah, don't, man. Yo, bro, don't. Chill. Nah, man, my cat is being. Wait, what? Where did I go? Where did I come? What? Where am I? Yo, what? Oh, thank God. I thought, I don't man kung sana. Okay, balik tayo. My cat is just sleeping on my charger, bro. Hey, bro. Bro's putting his hand on me, bro. He's calming his. Hey! Yo, stop. Stop moving out. Ah. Oh, my mic is because of you, man. My mic is gone. Manager? Yo, let's go. I can buy this money. I can buy money. What the? I can talk. I can man. Ah! I can buy a manager this whole time. Window. Why do I? Am I lagging? Wow. Why am I lagging? Hey, bro, don't eat the car. Don't you eat the curtain, bro. Don't. My mic again, bro. I hate this mic. Hey, bro, wait. Hey, bro. Me? Yes. Okay, thank God. My cat is. Hey, stop. Stop, bro. Bro, my cat is being annoyed, man. What? My cat is being annoying. Wait, what? That's fresh? Am I getting... Yo! This is not a lemonade, guys. This is a car. There, I thought it's a trillion. That's... well, that's good. Let me just upgrade it a few times. Attempt, now I'm broke. Never mind. Now I'm broke. Never mind. Now I'm broke. Never mind. Um, I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I'm broke. I cannot even buy. I'm broke. I cannot even buy. I'm broke. I cannot even buy a gap. Okay, I'm done. Yo, how many yet? Yo, bro, stop, man. Stop. Oh, come on, man. Don't. It's just playing here, bro. Hey, don't eat the mic. Don't eat my mic. Yo, I don't realize this, man. Our lemonade is cost 50K. Yo, no. Still no, man. We need to buy this, okay? Ice maker. Wait, what? Can I just buy ice for like oh, uh, uh, 5 pesos? Ano daw? What is 5 pesos in English? Yeah. Yo, roof? Nah, let me get this. Damn! 100. Damn, what are you doing here, bro? Man, you're slow. But let me up. Lemon, what's this, bro? Oh, you're so rich. Money. Yo, I can buy this now. Yo, what just happened? 100 billion. Yo, my mic is fall off. Sorry, guys. Let me just put it there. Let's go. Curious? Yeah, be curious, man. Yo, man, what you buy more? Let me get rich. I need 10k, okay? I need 100k. 100 mil, bro. What? I cannot even talk. Bro, my cat is being annoying. Annoying, okay? I will come back and wait, what? I can't even talk, bro. I will come back if I have almost 100 million because it's gonna take long, okay? Oh, bro, keep working there, bro. Keep working. Guys, I passed the 100 million because may nagpakita dito kagaya kanina. Yeah, tas sabi 40 mil. Tas ako meron akong 60 mil kaya exactly, yeah, tas ngayon meron akong wait, what? Where did you stop, bro? Hey, bro, stop working, bro. Don't stop working. And I think that's it for now. I'm gonna leave because I'm gonna go to sleep and I'm not gonna go to sleep. What is this? But, there, bacon, team, juice. How to spell juice? Juice. Juice. How to spell juice? Bruh! I can't even. How to spell juice? Oh, I'm done. My mic. Finally, bro. There. Confirm. Yeah, bacon team juice. Yeah, that's now for now. What? That's it for now. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later or not later. Few weeks because guys, I'm boring at making video. So if you enjoy this video, don't you make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, that's all. Bacon team is bye bye.